Can you say that again?
Täze, ýylyň, skotly bonsun. Is my pronunciation terrible?
It's fine for a beginner.
Aynur and Emir, thank you for joining me here today. And what we're going to do is we're going to try, well, you're going to teach me how to make these Christmas decorations.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah? So should we begin? Do you want to help us?
Yeah. First, we take one paper.
Okay.
Let's take our glue.
Uh-huh.
Open it up.
Uh-huh.
And then we just glue the whole paper.
Okay. All of it together?
Yeah.
Do you got it?
And then you fold it.
Nice. So, Aýnur, can you tell me what your favorite thing about New Year is?
My favorite thing about New Year is that we get to have family time and learning new things about New Year and having more fun.
And Emir, what about you? What's your favorite thing about New Year?
My favorite thing about New Year is giving out presents and getting presents, and also like spending time with my family because I like to cook with them a lot, and I like to play like games like siblings with my friends around the holidays.
Oh, nice.
Since usually there's no school.
And what kind of stuff do you cook?
I like cooking rice, like meat and chicken.
So you know what my favorite thing was growing up for New Year?
Yeah.
So in Kenya, it's hot. So we used to go to the beach for New Year, and we would decorate the palm trees with lights. And what are the Turkmen traditions for New Year?
In the morning, we just celebrate the house and make like new recipes.
So will you teach Emir and I some Turkmen words?
Okay. Do you want us to say Happy New Year?
We can try Happy New Year. Yeah?
Täze yılınız kutlu olsun.
Täze, ýylyň, skotly bonsun. Täze,
Yılınız
ýylyňyz
kutlu
kutly
olsun.
bolsun. As we celebrate this new year, I want to send my warmest wishes to all the people of Turkmenistan, especially to the wonderful children. May 2025 bring you happiness, health, and many special moments with your families. Happy New Year!
Täze yılınız kutlu olsun.